If you've got mucus and lymphatic constipation, look no further than the most powerful astringent juice on planet Earth.
I'd say only the... I don't know. We will see if the tamarind and calamansi is more powerful than only calamansi. But the calamansi lime is, for us, the most pulling, lymph pulling juice we've ever had, or fruit. And durian, surprisingly.
Show us the consistency. So you're looking at, depending on the ratio of calamansi to tamarind, you're looking at a somewhat viscous paste. And Daniela, what's the verdict? That means it's going to fall past.
It's good, really.
Astringents, baby, astringents. Look at this. Ooh, it's raining astringents.
Oh yeah. It has that, since it's a bit unripe, it has that acidic note to it.
You can feel it pulling.
Yeah.
It's going to dissolve mucus.
Amazing tasting wrap. We're trying to find the outside look to know if the pods are really big, because it's nice to have a mouthful, but they said this was going to be small, but it's quite big, you see, and they taste amazing.
Tastes like
so very sweet. Sweet and a hint of lemon. Like a lemon meringue pie. That's really sweet.
For me, wrap tastes like
It tastes like
caramelized onion and vanilla.
I see where you're coming from.
So I'm going for a heating crisis. Eating supreme tropical fruit. This is ancestral food right here. Easy to digest, nutrient rich, not mucus forming, high nutrient base. Did I already say nutrient rich? I did. Yeah. In my experience, one of the most powerful concoctions on earth, hydration and astringents. We've made cold pressed calamansi diluted with tamarind paste, so we've got this nice thick astringent base, and what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it with a young coconut, which tastes near water. You don't want it too sweet, so the sour works with it. What we're going to do is we're just going to mix this now. This is how you pull mucus out the body.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
This is what we call chemical cocktail.
Oh.
Then you know what's the verdict.
It's really good.
Is it very astringent?
Actually, there were a few tangerines that was in here that we fridge.
Sweetened it out.
Sweetened it up.
Yeah, always
in a nice way.
Yeah, it's always depends on the ratios we use of calamansi, tamarind, and coconut water. But it's still astringent.
Oh yeah.
Dear people, this is coming from the heart in a very, very tragic state of being. I can't explain to you how I feel, but I feel like someone's punched me in the face and stuck a knife in my stomach, and my legs are burning where the rashes with acid, and all I can say is that breaking the laws of nature is one of the biggest regrets you'll have in your life, because acids will rip you apart. And when you're in a true healing crisis, I highly advise you to cease all activity and just surrender to the process and just fall onto a bed, because nature will rob you of your appetite, possibly even your thirst, and even thoughts. Just surrender and let go.
Oh, it's a nice one. Opening wise at least. I had Kuning before, and I saved our Kuning, but yeah. This is from the tree that Ali filmed me.
So on this event, Dani only found one. How does it look?
It looks and smells absolutely amazing.
Oh, that's good.
It might be the best durian today. And we've had good ones.
What notes are you experiencing?
Refreshing, sweet. You know, it's one of those really good Borneo durians. It's so difficult to explain the flavor. And it has a bit of it has that caramel milk chocolate hint to it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and we hope to see you soon again. Much love.